So if you have watched this channel before, you often hear me talk about my high conviction stocks. Matter of fact, if you head over to my long-term stock list, you will see a list of stock that I believe in and at what price I bought them. Tesla tops my list of high conviction stock. I don't think I have shared this in the past, but I play Tesla every week and my conviction is so strong that I have taken some serious bets on Tesla and it has always worked in my favor. I'll share more towards the end of this video. Okay, so Tesla broke record in their Q3 and I had no doubt about that. I always say this, that every quarter will be the worst quarter for Tesla from that point forward. Meaning Tesla will continue crushing Wall Street expectation with their amazing execution quarter after quarter. In this video, I'm going to share some numbers from Tesla, but I'm also sharing some numbers from other auto manufacturers as well and what it means for Tesla stock. Let's take a look at what Tesla did in Q3. And I'm sure all Tesla fans are already aware of these numbers. But there is one line which actually may give us more surprise when they release the financials. Right here, it says final numbers could vary by up to 5% or more. So there's a very good possibility that when they release their financials, we could see about 250,000 vehicles delivered. We'll see when they release the actual financials. Okay, so before I set the tone for this video, take a look at this. Tesla delivered 241,300 vehicles this quarter. If you see that year over year, that's 73% increase year over year. That's massive. And for Model S, 39% increase, and for production, that's 64% increase year over year. Now, that's amazing performance for a company who's just starting out on their S-curve, which I have plotted in my previous videos. So here's how other companies performed as compared to Tesla. While Tesla topped with an eye-popping number of deliveries that even bullish analysts missed, all other car manufacturers are struggling. Take a look at this. So Ford, GM, Toyota, Honda, they all are struggling to meet the analyst expectations, forget about breaking them or crushing them. So right here, 10 biggest hit model, Ford, all of them, almost top 5 are Ford. Then we have the Jeep, then we have GM. So all these models are struggling. And if you see a year before, right here, third quarter sales from year earlier, GM was actual, they missed the estimate. Jeep, they actually beat the estimate, but Toyota, Honda, they both missed the estimate. So all these auto manufacturers have serious problem in their hand, but Tesla keep crushing the numbers. So why is that while other manufacturers are struggling with meeting the expectations and Tesla is able to not only meet but beat the expectations? Well, they actually stated that clearly in their Q1 2021 earnings. Here's a screenshot of my presentation for the reaction of their Q1 earnings. As you can see, Tesla stated that they have been using right here. They have been using new microcontrollers to mitigate the chip shortages as they knew that they are going to be dealing with the shortages for a while. This was really smart for them to see it coming that early on and switch the microcontrollers that they use so they are less dependent on the traditional microcontrollers, and that's why they are able to mitigate and move forward with these issues. Now, when you are bullish on a company and when it tops your highest conviction list, what do? You invest and you invest big. Again, this is my opinion only and not investing advice and for entertainment purposes only. So before every earning is a time where I make big bets on Tesla and make some money, as earnings present an opportunity for me to get more Tesla shares every time. Because I knew we will get some numbers from Tesla on October 2nd and those numbers will be big. This is what I played for October 8th. Right here are my trades open for October 8th. Okay, so I sold 10 October 8th, which is this coming Friday, $700 put. That's $700,000 bet for a 10K gain. For some people, it might not be enough risk to reward, like I'm risking $700,000 for a 10K potential gain, but it has been working for me every time the earnings come. And I've been doing it for like almost a year and a half. Then I have an 800 call right here, just one 800 call open. Again, this is something I don't like to do in this time. As I told you before, that time decay or theta decay kills the options. You can see that I'm down about 33% on it, but when you're watching this video, market is open and I'm pretty positive that this is going to, or Tesla stock is going to do better on Monday and I will get out of this. Maybe I'll break even or make a little bit of money. This is not a big holding at all. I bought it for like $13.5 or $13.59. So just a small bet that I played that, okay, let's see what happens by next Friday. And then I have another 10 $700 cash covered puts for November 5th. Right here, as you can see, the expiration is November 5th, and I'm betting another $700,000 for 25K potential gain. Then I have 10 more November 15th $700 put. Again, $700,000 online for about 30K gain right here. So technically, I'm betting that I will buy 1,000 shares of Tesla on October 8th, 1,000 more shares of Tesla on November 5th, and 1,000 more shares of Tesla on November 13th if Tesla is at least $700 or less. These are all huge bets, but remember this. I'm ready to buy Tesla if it reaches under 700, and that is why I'm betting so heavy. I plan on getting out of these trades before November 5th and before November 15th, and of course before October 8th. October 8th, I'll see. I might stay in the trade and let it play out and take all full $10,000 or 100% gain right here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do depending on the stock price. But at all of these trades, if I make anywhere between 30 to 40%, I'm out. But if I make over 50%, then that's golden and I exit out. And I use that money to buy Tesla on a major red day. No rush, because I know that after the earnings, we are going to see a big sell-off in the market. Tesla will drop down. I may buy it at say 720, forget about 700. But that's okay because I've already made about 40 to 50K playing the earnings. I always do that. Now, I would like to point something out on Tesla chart. So Tesla in last 1 year, and I have Bollinger Band on this, is tighter right here. As you can see, it's trading at a very tighter range if I put Bollinger Bands on it. And anytime it has done so, it has broken out. Now, broke out can happen going up or it can happen going down. As you can see, it was trading at a very tight range around October, November, and then boom, the S&P and all the thing, and then it went to the moon. And then after that, it came down. And since then, it's been trading pretty tight range if you put it on a 1-year chart. Now, I feel that Tesla is due for a breakout. As a matter of fact, that EVs in general are due for a breakout, and we are going to see that in the coming months. So that is why I'm still sitting on my right here to January 2023 $900 calls. I'm down almost 40% on these, and I spent almost $48,000 on this. But I know we are going to see a breakout, or I will exercise these options and will buy 200 shares of Tesla at $900 in January 2023, which is not so bad, as I have a very bullish prediction for Tesla by 2024 and for 2026, which I'll share in my next video. So in my opinion, Tesla is one of those companies that only happen once in a lifetime. And I was too young to understand Apple, even though I bought Apple, but I didn't have enough money and I didn't put enough money in Apple or Amazon. But I'm at a good spot with Tesla, and I'm taking full advantage of that S curve that I have explained in my previous videos, and it's just started to climb. So I have a very simple spreadsheet that I personally use for Tesla stock price prediction. And if you guys want me to share, then please comment below and I would do a video sharing the details. Probably one of the most simplest spreadsheet that you will ever see. But it gives a clear picture and tells the story on why I'm confident enough to bet close to $1 million every week and make consistent money on Tesla. Hope I provided some value, and if you also think that, then hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss on future videos. Also comment on what do you think Tesla will be by the end of 2021. As always, an absolute pleasure, and thank you for joining me. Love you all. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.